What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Screaming Eagle Stage 2 kit. This high-performance kit, initially developed for the Milwaukee 8 121 high-output engine, delivers a high-octane performance boost for 117 CI models. Designed with the horsepower junkie in mind, this camshaft kit will build additional horsepower at 4,000 RPM and continues to build by up to 21% increase at redline. Ideal for high-octane riders that consistently push their vehicle to the upper RPMs, this kit produces greater acceleration in the mid and upper RPM range. The kit includes Screaming Eagle high-capacity lifters and either chrome or black pushrod tubes to match your specific engine color. The included adjustable pushrods allow the SE8 511 camshaft to be installed without removing the cylinder heads, significantly reducing installation time and cost. Add this Screaming Eagle Stage 2 kit to your 2024 and later Street Glide or Road Glide model and you'll have the same camshaft as found on the 2024 CVO Road Glide ST model. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.